If you want to start posting videos online and you are looking for another platform apart from YouTube that will pay you for your content, this video is for you. You don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour to get monetized on this platform. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Rambo account, even if you have not used Rambo before. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe. Before we begin, there are few things you need. 1. A phone and internet connection. 2. A working email address. 3. A username you want to use for your account. That is literally all you need. You do not need to pay any money to create a Rambo account because signing up is completely free. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to open your browser. Go to the search bar. At the top, type in rambo.com. Then press enter. Now, once the website opens, you will see the Rambo homepage. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a button that says sign up. So go ahead and click on it. After clicking sign up, Rambo will open a registration form for you to fill out. Now let me explain each part carefully. The first box is your email address. Make sure you use an email you have access to because Rambo will send a verification message to it. Next is your date of birth. You click on the month to select your month. Click on day to select the day you were born. Click on year to select the year you were born. After that, you click on next. Sometimes, Rambo may ask you to complete a quick security check to confirm you are not a robot. Just follow the instruction on the screen. So click on verify you are a human. Next, enter your username. Your username is very important because it can also become your channel name. So choose a name you like and something people can easily remember. Select your gender, select your country, then click on the checkbox, then click on next. Then create your password. Try to use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. After you put in your password, you need to confirm the password again, then click on next. After signing up, Rambo will send a confirmation email to the email address you use. So now leave the website for a moment and open your email app or Gmail box. Look for an email from Rambo. Once you see it, open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This step is very important because it activates your account. Now, if you don't see the email immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it may enter your spam, junk, or promotion folder, so check there too. So you copy the link, then go back to the website, paste the code, then click on next. Once your email is verified, your Rambo account is now ready. Welcome to Rambo, Mrs. Ambrose. Let's figure out what content you are into. Find your interest. You can click on find your interest. You can select any niches you are interested in. Sport, gaming, news, health and science. So I'm going to click on podcast, health and science. Okay, I have to select up to 3. Then I will click entertainment and I will click on next. Here are some creators that you may like. So you can just select any creator of your choice. Let me select this podcast lady. Then I will click on done just to follow her. Our account is ready. The next thing you should do is to set up your profile properly. Look at the top corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Then go to account settings. Then click on these 3 dots here. Click on profile. You can upload your profile picture from here. You can upload backsplash picture from here. And you can also write a short bio about your content here. And even add your social media links, your Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram links. Do you understand? Now click on these three dots. Let me quickly show you around the Rambo dashboard. Your dashboard is basically the control center of your account. This is where you do everything on Rambo. From here, you can upload video, you can edit your content, you can check your views, you can manage your channel and later apply for monetization. Do you understand? I hope this video helped you understand how to create a Rambo account step by step. So if it helped you, please don't forget to like this video because it really helps the channel grow, and subscribe for more friendly tutorials. I will see you in the next one.